Hi there, I'm Matthew Pank, the branch manager at Manning Stainton's Guiseley office. I'm here at Yeadon Cricket Club with the chairman David, helping arrange tonight's bonfire. You expecting a big crowd, David?
Well, based on previous years, yeah, absolutely. We're expecting a few thousand people here.
Right, that's great news. I'm glad all our hard work's going to pay off then. I mean, we were here at 7:30, so I think we best head off for breakfast.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
And the fireworks were amazing.
I think we have a count of a couple of thousand tonight, so yeah, it's been superb, very successful. So yeah, sounds like it was a good cheer at the end, so yeah, we're very happy with that. Muddy feet, but we're all right.
Well, David, you weren't wrong about the crowds, an enormous turnout. It looks like a great success for the cricket club.
It really is. And this amount of people, we really need lots of support. And thank you for giving up your time and helping us on the day.
You're very welcome, David. I'll definitely be here again next year.
No problem, brilliant.